What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hairdo for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boop.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a bombshell for you guys. Let's jump right into it. Today's hair is by UNice, and y'all are familiar with UNice, right? I have worked with this company so many times, so many times, and they always deliver really great hair. This unit is so beautiful. I did do some layering. I didn't do any coloring. It comes like this. It comes with the highlights. It comes in this chocolatey brown highlighted type of situation. It also came curled, but I went in with my bendy rollers and did like regular curls. I didn't do like, you know, the wavy type of curls. I kind of rolled it up as if I was using regular curlers, like old school style, because I wanted va-va-voom body. Okay, so let me look at the credentials. It is a 7x5 closure situation. It almost looks like a frontal. Now the way they did this unit, the way they constructed this is so perfect, because they brought the sides down further, and the way they have the hair stitch in there, it's almost giving frontal, but it's not, you know. The lace stops right here, and then you have this little piece right here, and you can't tell. It's so pretty, you can't tell it's a closure unit just the way that they have it constructed. It fits perfect over the ear and behind the ear, which is so important. For a unit to lay perfect, those little details make all the difference. This is 24 inches and she's 180% density, and this is their espresso brown. It's called espresso brown. Like I said, it's a chocolatey brown. It's not black, but it's brown, and it has these highlights in it that just takes it to the next level. It is so well put together. It is perfect. Like I said, it did come pre-curled, but I went in and did more curls because I wanted the drama, honey. I love this. You don't have to stick this down. You can put it on and go. If you want baby hairs, you can do baby hairs. If you don't, you don't need to. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, all of that good stuff, and it is just beautiful. The hair is just so shiny, silky, smooth. It is stunning. I love this, and it's giving Hollywood glamour today. This is so pretty, and this is totally beginner friendly. Beginner friendly is also very important. These units should not be complicated for anyone to put on. For those of us who love to protect our natural hair, this is such a great protective style, and it is so low maintenance. It is so pretty. Like I said, I did cut some layers in it, so it has a lot of body going on. For 180% density, it is really full, and as you can tell, it holds a curl, honey. It holds a curl really nicely. Like I said, even though it's 180% density, I feel like it's giving more body than that, and plus the curls, like, now you can wear this straight if you want to. You can totally do an updo with this, because the way they have it constructed is just so perfect. You can totally do a nice little up. Look at that already. You can do an updo, bring down some of the back. Oh, I love this. And most of all, I really love the sides, because it just makes it look as if it's a full frontal. Stunning 10 out of 10, honey, all across the board. Like, it's just really pretty. Look at the shine, look at the body, look at the layers, like, and the lace. What lace? Okay, what lace? Look at this. This is so pretty. It's just stunning. Like, I love when a unit is just, you know, like effortless and really well constructed. I love that, because it takes so much out of it. Like, there's not a lot for you to do. You just put it on and you already feel good. Like, when I take this off, I don't have to worry about this unit for a long time. You get what I'm saying? Like, I can always just put it on for any time that I want to look really good and look really cute. The curls are gonna stay. The curls are gonna stay. I don't have to worry about this at all. This is that type of unit. You take it off at night, you put it on your little mannequin head, or if you want to even put like your rollers in it, for those of you who are sticking it down and wearing it to bed. It's one of those units, bro. Like, it is one of those that you're just happy to have in your collection. Like, it's bae. you know that this unit is always going to get you right every time you put it on. That's one of those units. Like, that's what this unit is. You know, every time you put it on, you're gonna be looking good without having to do a lot. That is what this unit is. Listen, all the information is gonna pop up on the side right here. Make sure you check out UNice. Everything will be linked down below. And once again, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And let's get right into the very easy styling. Get you some bendy rollers, y'all. Get you some bendy rollers and a hot bonnet dryer. Get you one of them. Get you those two things and you're good to go.
Tell me what you done for me lately. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know, baby? Lately, tell me what you done, baby. So can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know, baby?
Yeah, like I said, that's all I did to the unit. It is so effortless. It is so pretty. I just went ahead, did my makeup, let the lace melt a little while longer, and I am just in love with this unit. I can't stop touching it. I'm in love with the curls. I'm in love with the way it looks. Like, you just can't go wrong with it no matter how much you do to it. You know, like, it's just one of those units. Like, it's just so, look at that. I love when I get a good unit and it's just giving life right out of the box. It is giving life, it's giving body, it's giving luster, it's giving it's giving side action without there being any lace. Like, the way the hair falls right there, it looks like it's yours. Espresso brown, honey, 7x5 by UNice. All right, this is gorgeous. I look like I'm ready for the red carpet, like I'm going somewhere. I ain't going nowhere more than my living room, honey. But that's what it's giving. Make sure you check out UNice. Everything will be linked down below. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below because I want to hear from you. Share the video because sharing is caring. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And yeah, until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.